Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing one spice that I use to boost my overall health and keep myself fit and healthy. And that wonderful spice is nothing but turmeric. Yes, turmeric are high in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that helps to boost your overall health, reduce inflammation, and helps to clear out free harmful radicals in your body. Inflammation is a way that the body uses to defend itself from foreign substances and infection. But when inflammation happens on its own or takes a long time, or it happens on unhealthy tissue, this can lead to a lot of health complications such as type 2 diabetes, some certain type of cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, and these diseases are very detrimental to the human health. Consuming turmeric can help reduce inflammation because they contain an active compound called curcumin, which has a high level of anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and prevent you from getting this disease that I just mentioned not long ago. Curcumin also contains antioxidant properties that helps to reduce free harmful radicals that are highly reactive that can interact with protein, fatty acid, and our DNA and cause a lot of damage in our body. And I'm also going to show you how I prepare my recipe shortly. I got my turmeric from a nearby store, reliable store. I like to use warm water to dilute it properly. You can use half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. And after putting it inside the warm water, ensure that you stir it properly. Make sure you stir it for about 2 to 5 minutes to ensure that everything is well mixed up and ready to drink. And voila, my turmeric is ready. I hope you enjoy it. My name is MJ Kingsley. If you find this video informative, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment on this video, and make sure you share this video with your family and friends that might need this information. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.